In this video, I'm going to show you the top 7 winning products to sell on your Shopify store or your dropshipping store, wherever you are dropshipping from in the world. These products are already selling and they will get you the best results now in November and the next couple of weeks and months. Even if you're watching this into 2021, I've picked them so they have a long-term potential and are going to continue to sell. Let's go. Hey, it's Rafael Cintron here. And before we get to the products, I just want to make sure that you join our 5-day live Shopify training coming up in about 3 weeks from now. We're going to be sharing everything that my students are doing to get over $10,000 per day. This is Johnny, the student that made $300,000 on a Shopify store. He is back with another store making 10 grand per day. I'm going to show you the exact strategies that my student used to get to that point and how you can do it yourself, all for free, all live, that you can also ask me questions directly. Go to that first link down in the description and join us for the 5-day live training. All right, for the first product up, we have this automatic brace maker for little girls. It's specifically for now into Christmas that a lot of people are buying gifts and obviously buying things for Christmas and the holidays. And just a note, I am showing you the AliExpress links to these products just to present them properly and just so you know all the creatives inside of them. I don't particularly recommend AliExpress to ship your products. If you want to know what the best suppliers and best shipping agents to use instead of AliExpress, you can check down in the description. There's a specific video on the best suppliers to use. So how this product works, it has 382 orders. So not a huge amount of orders already. It's not a saturated product, but it's doing already very well. If we play the video right here, basically does braids very quickly. And you can gift it to any little girl. If you're a parent, you can gift it to your daughter. If you are a friend, you can gift it to that friend. And it basically works. It just makes braids really fast and really easily. It's already doing well on Facebook ads. And you can make as many braids or as many different designs as possible. And you have this whole kit right here. And it's a full kit for braiding and for hair making for little girls. So what I would recommend to target is either parents and parent brands, parent magazines, like we always say. Brands, magazines, and influencers are the top 3 things that you should be targeting in any niche that you are selling your product. So for example, you can target parents, you can target for the holidays, you can target, for example, hair brands, and then go and target women only. Maybe some women would also buy that for their daughters. So you want to target that specific market that would buy this product as a gift. And if you also want to add into that, you can add brands like The Honest Company or brands like Toys R Us or Fisher Price that are more for parents that are buying toys for their kids. If the girl is within that age of, let's say, 5 to 10 years old, the parents are buying toys and buying gifts for that daughter. They could also buy this particular product as well. So combining those different targeting options on Facebook can do really well, and it can scale very well throughout Cyber Monday and the holiday. The next product up is a Sculpting cake carving knife. And this particular product, my product researcher found it a couple of days ago. I didn't really think it had much potential until I actually researched and look at how many people are interested in carving knives for pastry specifically. It also is pretty good for the holiday season. Obviously, a lot of people are going to cook at home and cooking for their family. They want to make these beautiful cakes, and these particular knives are easy to learn, are easy to use, and they also have a lot of orders here on AliExpress. It's already selling about 12 per day right now, and every single week it's growing about 3 or 4, 5, and in the holiday season, over the next 2 to 3 weeks and into December, it is going to sell much more. So with this particular pastry cake, you can make beautiful designs on any type of pastry or any type of cake. Just like this one, you can make a cake just like that. I was watching a video of a person taking a regular cake with using these pastry carving knives and making an absolutely beautiful cake, and they weren't such a big professional. So you can learn it pretty quickly. You can also make cakes like these that look absolutely beautiful. And for people that are interested in making pastries, in making cakes, this is definitely a high value product. You can also sell multiple of them and sell multiple different variations. So if you're in the kitchen niche or in the home niche or just selling to that particular niche, definitely a great one to consider. The next product up is this 48-in-1 socket wrench. So how it works is during the holiday season, a lot of do-it-yourself, a lot of home products that are used specifically for building or for fixing up things tend to sell really well as people buy them for their parents, for their dad, or people buy them for their son or their uncle, or just men in general that are using products for building up the house or fixing up anything around the house, or maybe their car, or maybe something that they have. So products like this one, like this particular wrench, sell extremely well during Cyber Monday and into the holidays. This one in particular is a new design. It is a 48-in-1, and how it works, I'm just gonna show you the quick video here. You can use it for pretty much anything around the house, in your car, if you're building something, whatever it is, you can use this particular product. For your tires on the car, have 48 different combinations of the product that you can use. You can use it on pretty much anything. For construction, it's absolutely amazing. It's already selling pretty well. It's selling about 5 orders per day, so not pretty huge, but it's a new design of a product that traditionally sells very well. And throughout Cyber Monday and the holidays, definitely I see a lot of potential in this, especially as a gift. You have many, many combinations, many possibilities. Very easy to make a video out of this product as well. Comes in different colors and just does very well. It's also a very simple product to ship to your customers, so you won't have problems with shipping a very bulky or very heavy product, and you can sell many of them at a time. So definitely a lot of potential in this one as well. The next product up, product number 4, is a self-defense alarm egg. And what it basically is, it's either a keychain or you can put it around your neck. And what it does is every time you are in a dangerous situation, specifically because of the protests or because of the whole just events that are happening around the world in the past couple of months, and obviously all of this situation with the COVID, a lot of people are more paranoid and a little bit more interested in self-defense, self-protection. A lot of security products are selling very well, and this one in particular is doing pretty well. It's selling about 10 to 20 per day of this little bell. So it makes a crazy loud sound, and it's just absolutely annoying. I'm not going to play the video here because it's just crazy, but if you go to the particular page, if you blow on it, or if you actually, I think it's you tap it on it, you tap it right here. So if you have the self-defense egg, you tap it on one side, it makes a crazy sound. A lot of people can hear it. If you are alone and somebody's trying to attack you or rob something for you, then it's easy to just alert a police officer or somebody that knows that you are in danger. So something for people. It's also a very cheap product that you can sell many of them. If you have a family and you want to protect them all, then you can buy 5 or 10 of these self-defense protectors. And I'll show you the video here. Here's somebody unboxing the product. Here you have it. Oh. Take it like that. Oh, you pull it from. That's how it sounds. Sorry about that. It's not that you click on it, it's that you have it, you pull it, and once you pull it, then it starts sounding. So what you can also potentially do is put it in a way where it might go out if somebody were to attack you. Let's say you put it next to your wallet, or you put it with your keys. If somebody steals your keys, and then it goes out, it starts sounding, or you can just pull it off if somebody's trying to attack you. So actually it's not that you click on it, sorry about that, is that you pull the little keychain out of the alarm, it starts sounding like crazy. For people that are a little bit more paranoid, a little bit more aware of their surroundings, they want to be careful during this winter season, during this holiday season, specifically because a lot of people take advantage of people being together in their homes, or people giving gifts to each other, having a lot of money around that they might loot your house or attack your house or attack yourself, whatever it is, then people would be definitely interested in a self-protection and security alarm. And really quick, before we keep going, I just want to congratulate Ellie from Ontario, Canada, for winning our $0 to $300,000 case study that I did with my student Johnny, the same one that's doing 10K per day. He made $300,000 with a store. We show you the ads and the whole strategy behind that so you can replicate it for yourself. If you want to win the case study for this video, make sure to comment down below your country or your city where you're watching me from. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button down below, and make sure to join the 5-day training. I will pick somebody from this video. For another product in the do-it-yourself construction niche that will sell very well during the holiday season, Cyber Monday and Christmas, is this little mini saw. And how it works is you can basically put it together very easily. It's about that size, so not a big, crazy big saw. And for people that are specifically interested in running Google ads to a DIY or a home interest, or just a construction interest for specifically men that are building things around the house or just building things in general, you can definitely sell this very well. It is an expensive product. You'll get it for about $80 to $100. You can upsell it for about $200, even $300 for a saw like this that is small. Works very well. You might even want to try and order a sample for yourself before selling it. And it's pretty small for the power that it offers. So you have this chainsaw right here and the saw. You put it together like that, and you can pretty much cut anything. Has a nice battery, nice power to it, and it's just a very high quality product that you can get. I wouldn't definitely get it from AliExpress. I would get one of the other suppliers that we have in the video in the description, and you can sell it either both on Facebook ads or Google ads, whichever you prefer, to a DIY audience, people that are looking for portable construction accessories, portable saws, and just things for construction and do it yourself in general. For product number 6, a product specifically for people that don't really know what to sell, want to sell something that will sell throughout the holidays and is already getting some traction on Facebook, is also not very saturated, specifically for beginners. This particular here, this toothpick box or pop-up box, actually my new product researcher or a new moderator inside of my private mentorship, Marco, found this particular product on Facebook. It's doing pretty well already. Let's check out the video here. What it does is you put the toothpicks inside of it, and every time you click on it, the toothpick comes out. Specifically for not just people that are using the toothpick to clean their mouth, but toothpicks for example, cheese or ham or fruits that are put throughout on the table for holiday dinners or specifically Christmas, Thanksgiving even. Thanksgiving sell very well, and people are using different hams and turkey and fruits to pick with a toothpick and eat them. This is a very simple way to not have all the toothpicks running around the table. You can also protect all the toothpicks if they fall, and you can just click on it, get the toothpick, and it's a very cool way to show off to your friends and just to look cool. And if you're inviting people over, this is definitely a product that will cause some attention or will get some attention from your people that are visiting you or from your friends. You can also get it in multiple colors. It's a very small product, very cheap product. You can sell it for about $20, $25. And you can use it very well for people that are selling anything specifically for the holidays or just home, or in general, you don't know what to sell. You have a general store, want to sell something that will have the potential to sell over the next couple of weeks and months. This is definitely a big one to consider. And the last product up, found by my trusted product researcher, Katrina, in the private mentorship. This particular product is a baby rattle, and it sells like crazy during the holidays. It's already selling extremely well, and it's a product that people buy many of. Obviously, parents are going to buy this for their kids. So let's just play a little video here. You have these little rattles or these toys. It's more of a toy. There's also a rattle. The baby can take it and just make sounds with it. It makes sounds from there. And you can put it as a strap on your baby. It's about 5 inches long, 2-3 inches long. And you can also put them on the feet of the baby or the hands of the baby. Like that. And you can put on the baby like here. It shows different rattles or different little designs that you have. It's also a very inexpensive product, very affordable. People can buy many of them at the same time. And they're selling about 12 per day, 90 per week. So consistently a product that can make, let's say, it's selling about 200, 300 per month. So it can make, let's say, about 200 per month. So about $3,000, $5,000 per month consistently from this product. You can also scale it up very well. It has a huge market, specifically going into holidays and Cyber Monday. Definitely a big one that will do very, very well. Just like that. Little rattles, different designs, very cute, very easy to make ads for them. And you can also do both Facebook and Google ads for this particular. For the Facebook targeting for this particular product, I would do just baby brands, baby shops, or big baby companies like Honest Company or Babies R Us. Even though it doesn't exist anymore, it's still a good interest on Facebook to target. You can also target other ones like Bye Bye Baby, definitely big ones for the baby niche and a great product to sell during the holiday season. All right, now go and sell those 7 winning products on your Shopify store. If you want to know how to ship the products in the best and fastest possible way and not have to use AliExpress, make sure to check the video right there. The top 3 suppliers that you need to use right now, and specifically all the way throughout the holiday season in 2021. Go and check the video right here. Top 3 suppliers. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I will see you on the next video.